Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is tickets. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, I have enjoyed this challenge. I've done it before in the past, and it's always been a lot of fun. Okay, so let's see what we can do with tickets. I've got a few little tickets pulled out. I think this one, I'm going to end up tucking it in there. So, but first, I want to lay down some background. Let me grab my glue book. But be sure and check out Meg's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. And Junk Journal January 2025. Still got to get used to saying that. Okay, I'm just going to put that down. And some more of this pretty tissue paper. I think it'll show up better on this background. I don't know if you can see it. I don't mind if it goes over a little bit. Probably should have torn that a little. Just to didn't think about it. That'll work. And I've got some more of this deli paper. I think I'll let it go across just a little bit. This is that vellum page, and it'll look pretty shining through. I really like how that is. Okay. And I've got some washi that I can use. Put it here and there. Let's see. I got these flowers. I would love to use those right about there. And I can put a little bit of washi tape there. A little torn there. There. All right, let's see. I want to put something there. I think I have got I want to use this one. Some of these stickers. And I can add that little ticket right there. Put that there. That, although I may want to not put it upside down. I think this one. Oh, this one I was going to tuck right here. Okay. And maybe I don't know. See. a little scrap of this I had left over from my journal. And I want just a piece right there. Now, for something right there, maybe. Maybe that butterfly. And I think I want to add this little okay. I like it. I think one, I want to put down my date. I've already changed it to the 3rd. And something I can't believe I forgot to do yesterday is gold splatters. Let me because I do love gold splatters. I think I'll go ahead and add them today. Cute. Gold splatters just makes it all better. Well, day 3 is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Meg at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.